Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to our first coverage post-Apple event. Hopefully you guys are watching this video right after the Apple event has concluded and you're looking to install the iOS 12 Golden Master Edition. Now hopefully this is the last video I will be doing on iOS 12 betas, because this makes 13 if I recall right. Granted, this one is the Golden Master, this one is the final version, and again, you can download it directly today, but unfortunately you have to use a third-party site. So before we get started, go ahead, like, subscribe, all that stuff if you have yet to, if you want to stay updated on not only iOS 12, but everything that was covered in today's Apple event. Videos are coming very soon, but let's go ahead and get iOS 12 Golden Master Beta build installed. Alright, so first up, like I said, you're going to go ahead and navigate to this site. Down in the description, it will take you to Best Tech Info, and on that article, it will have a link to this site. All you have to do to download the developer beta configuration profile, again, it has to be the developer one. It can't be the public beta configuration profile, as public beta testers won't receive this build for a few days. Anyway, to get it today, again, like I said, download the developer configuration profile. Basically, just going to click download, wait for it to load, go ahead and click allow, and you're going to install it on your iPhone. You're going to wait for it to take you to the settings page, then click install up in the top right, install once more, and install, and now you're going to be prompted to restart your device. Simply do a quick restart, and then once everything is back online, all you have to do is navigate to the settings app, navigate to general, and then to software update, and the Golden Master version of iOS 12 will be waiting for you there. So I'm just going to wait for my device to reboot, and I will be right back. Alright, so now we're back online. Again, I'm going to swipe up to go home, navigate to the settings app, and then general, and then software update, and wait for this to refresh. And then once this has refreshed, you will have iOS 12 Golden Master Beta ready for you to install. Now this says iOS 12 Developer Beta 12 as I recorded this video the night before, so I can get a jump on creating videos about the Apple event directly after it concludes tomorrow. So if you guys are watching this, again, the process is exactly the same. Essentially, the download size is going to be pretty much 2.5 gigabytes, if not more, because it's going to rewrite the entire file system, even if you're currently on an iOS 12 beta already. So not to fear, that is normal. Just click download and install. To begin the installation process, agree to the terms and conditions. And once it says update requested, you're good to go. It's going to go ahead and download the software and then install the software. Then you'll be taken through a few on-screen steps once the restore has completed, or once the update process has completed. And then you'll be running the latest version of iOS 12, being the Golden Master as of when you're watching this video. Anyway, this probably wasn't the most exciting video directly after the event concludes, but I know a bunch of you guys are going to jump on the iOS 12 ship and want to download the Golden Master Edition the second it is out. And again, this is exactly how you do that. Hope you guys appreciate and enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe for more videos to come later today. But until next time, this is Tony, signing out.